he is our alumni, passed out in 2002 batch in chemical engineering. So I request all you to he did his BTech in 2002 batch, then PG DBA in Operational Management, Symbiosis College, Pune. He has vast year of experience, around 22 years of experience in ICA, Torrent, Jubilant, Teva and Lupin. Currently, he is working as a Vice President in Navin Molecular, Devas. So, he is a big guy in chemical engineering industries. So, without taking so much time, I request Navin Molecular to share his experience, an industrial experience and career guidance for all of you. Thank you. I request.
And in the looping, we are having both synthetic chemistry also and biological chemistry also. Biological means fermentation. So I will just give the example. There we are having around 90 kcal fermenters. So 90 kcal fermenter is around 90 meters. You can imagine what is the size of the equipment. The size of the height of the reactor is around 10 meters. So the bottom at the ground floor and the main charging is at the second floor. So that's one bigger equipment we handle there in the in the Lupin. And then in 2023, I moved to the Navin Fluorine. So I'm working in Navin from last 1.5 years as a Vice President Operations. So the operation, I am responsible for the complete delivery of the molecules from our side. So I am responsible for the EHS functions, engineering functions, manufacturing, logistics and all other supporting functions. So now I will first explain you about what is Navin Fluorine and what is Navin Molecular. Then also I will explain you about what is the industrial expectations from the students and what are the technical challenges you can face when you join the industry. And after that we can have a question and answer session also there. You can ask if any doubts are there and you want any further clarity. Sites where we are manufacturing the molecules for the customers. We do not have our own products. So now with Navin, we are working with all top pharmaceutical innovators. You can name anyone like Novartis, GSK, Pfizer. So they are continuously working on a new molecules that is going to launch. Maybe some of the medicines is still not available in the market, so they are working for that therapies like some cancer therapies. The disabilities right now it is uncurable, उसका भी कोई treatment नहीं है. So these companies are working for that molecules. उनको molecule बनाने के लिए they need some intermediates. So that we are producing it here and we are giving to the customers and then they are converting into APIs and this API will be converted into formulated drug and the tablets and the injections will be come to the market. So Navin Fluorine is the one of the largest specialty fluorochemical company in the India. It is a part of the Patidar group. So this company was established in 1967. And this company is the one of the pioneer in the refrigerant gas. You can see in all the ACs there is a gas is there. That name is R22. That is produced by the Navin Fluorine. So at the Navin Fluorine we are in, so basically a manufacturing plant. It consists of, typically I am telling about the pharma industries and chemical industries, mostly resembles only. So right now Navin Molecular we are working as a batch manufacturing industry. So in the batch processes in a typical plant, so we are having reactors. There the all reactions will be carried out. So in the reactors we do all type of unit operations like reactions, distillations, mass transfer, heat transfer, fluid flow. And once the reaction is completed, then the product will go to the either extraction, and after the extraction, the downstream will be the filtration. So filtration again it will be done. There are different types of filtration equipments that is installed in our plants, and then the final after the filtration, the product will be dried. Drying again there are a lot of different types of dryers are available like vacuum dryers, agitated knife filter dryers, fluidized bed dryer, turbo dryers. So from this dryers the drying will be completed and once we get the dry product it will be packed and dispatched to the customers. So this is the typical flow of any pharma industry, like HF, hydrogen gas. So you name any of one of the chemistry that is happening in the world that can be done at our location. We are also doing the hydrogenation. There we are using different type of catalyst. Cyanation also, where the cyanide also has been used for the reactions. Normally MOC, you can see there are three types of MOCs available. I don't know, manufacturing blocks: stainless steel, glass line, and histoline. Anyone heard about the histoline? What is histoline MOC?
पहले तो एमओसी ही नहीं समझ पा रहे होंगे।
MOC का समझ में आया कि नहीं किसी को? हाँ? मटेरियल ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन। जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन होता है तो मटेरियल ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन इज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट। हिस्टोला इज द वन ऑफ द, नॉर्मली जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट डेवलप होता है तो फर्स्ट दे हैव टू डू द स्टडी from third year.
The material should be compatible with the liquids we are handling. First material of construction should be this. The material should be corrosion resistance. And I think I have 2 points right.
Yeah, that is correct. You see, normally what happens whenever the product is developed, so initially first identification can be done by the basic pH only. See if the pH is acidic, then the material nature is acidic, there we cannot go with the stainless steel. For the acidic MOCs, we have to go for the glass line equipment. And again, some chemistries like fluorine chemistry, they are highly corrosive. They can react with the glass line also, and they can form the silicate with the glass. And during the reaction also, glass, there is a possibility glass can damage. So there is a new development is called histola. Histola is a basically nickel-based alloy. So majority composition of this is around 70% is the nickel and rest of the other composition. So this is the one of the good corrosion resistance. There we can handle even acidic also, even 1 pH also can be handled under harsh conditions also. So this all 3 types of equipments we are having. For the filtrations we are having all type of like notch filters, filter dryers, centrifuges. These are all the pictures. From the instrument points of view, we are having a lot of instruments that are at our quality control lab. So we are having the HPLC. So normally these all instruments are used to check the purity of the compound. Let us say if you are having any distillation products, there you are having binary mixtures. If you are separating the binary compositions, and once you got the desired product from the top, then you have to check what is the quality of the product.
He is presenting you another family part. The challenges, the requirements, and the expectations from themselves and all that. So he tried to capture many informations which are essential and you must learn in full. Directly if you are asking R&D is कब तो इसके पहले मैं सब चीज़ समझ गया. So ठीक है, I appreciate that you spoke better than others. But पहले वो exercise की basics ये कुछ things are interlinked. You might have seen on the slides. Things are interlinked. So there are 9 types of bhakti. Bodha bhakti. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vasudevanam, Shastram, पूरी नौकी नौकी पर ये कहा गया है कि अगर किसी ने एक तरह की भी है तो नौकी नौकी एक तरह की भी है तो you learn all 9 types. इसी तरह से if you are knowing very first requirement of every or very first scholarly requirement So you will gain all remaining scholarly requirements. और वो सबसे पहले क्या है, क्लास में रेगुलरली ऑन नितिन के सामने ये बताना ठीक नहीं है।